Instagram, how to see liked post. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can see liked post on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to see liked post on Instagram, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, let's say over the years you've happened to like many posts and stories and so on, and if you want to find all those liked posts and interactions, tap the profile icon from bottom right, tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen here. So from here you want to simply go to this option called your activity and then tap on it. Now under your activity, you'll find the option called interactions where you'll find likes. So when you go to likes option, you should be able to see all of the posts that you have liked on Instagram. This way you'll be able to like posts and see all those liked posts on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.